Ready? Okay. Easy. First we have to open this, okay? I'll open this. But here. I will give you... Hey, easy! Easy, down. Here you go, Rufus. Get it! Rufus! No? You be more interested in this one? Sienna, let him have one. Get it, Rufus. Sienna, look at this. Help him open. Help him, silly. Here, help him. Good girl. Sienna, come on, help him. Get it, Sienna. Rufus, look it, yummy. You like these? Yeah. You want another one? Oh, look it. You love these guys. Yes, you do. And, ooh, more. Oh my goodness, big guy. Oh, Rufus, a blanket for you. You're gonna open the blanket. Really? You're a funny guy. Sienna, I think that's for you. I think that's for you, little girl. There you go, Rufus. Oh, Sienna, get yours. Get yours. Sienna, come on, get it. Get it, girl. Get it. Oh. Oh, look it. Rufus, look it. Yours has a rope, and you love ropes. You want the treats, huh? Wait, wait, wait. Rufus, what's this? That's for you, big guy. Hold on, Sienna. Here, Sienna. That's yours. Here. You want me to help you? Rufus. Not this one, silly. This one. What is it? Are you still after the treats? Okay. In a minute, big guy. In a minute. In a minute. What's this? Get that one. Sienna. Here. There you go. Good girl. Oh, how cute is that? Sienna, look at how cute. Oh, Rufus, look. Oh, mister. Oh, more crunchies? You gonna open your other box finally? Get it. What is that? Here, Tinny. Oh. Look, Sienna. It's Captain Crunch. Sienna, help him. You're so silly. I can't see you, Rufus. Oh, more Captain Crunch. Okay. Here, big guy. What's this? And, oh, Sienna, what's in there? How about this one? Oh, Rufus. Oh, Sienna. No, that's his. Oh, Rufus. Here. Sienna. Sienna, look. This is yours. Sienna, come here. Oh, boo-boo. Okay, Rufus. Rufus, look. You got a ladder? Oh, look it. Rufus, look.